Tay. Kasi
Ayaw naman ang ulo.
ayun.
Pag-send ko ninyo, train first leader, pwede ko matabang.
Pero ayun sa talugan.
Sige naman. Ako ayun ba? Kaya napa siya pulso mga ako yung yung ginawa altin. Napa siya pulso. Sir, tapagi ko support siyang ulo sir. Paliho ko sir. Kunita yung ulo niya sir. Sir. Kuniti ha. Jadi, mga to ginaginaya ng obvious. Request. Sir, paliho ko. Sir, kumain sir. Straight yung lawas din sir. Straight yung lawas. Yeah, very one, two, up. Kuniti yung ulo. Kuniti yung ulo.
Kuniti lang yung ulo, kuniti lang.
Support na yung ulo, sir. Isa ka pa doon dito, sir. 1, 2, 3. Anak.
Wala may carton.
Sir, are you okay? Talk to me. Sir, stable lang yung ulo, sir. Anak. Kuniti lang sa
Wala may carton, gamay butakan sa ulo.
Okay. Sir, direct, sir. Direct, sir.
Pagto ko na hotel ko di Charles, magbutaro mo.
Kaya po, para sir
Wait,
po.
tagay ko, lingkuranin, ma'am.
Kanang na mailipit siyang tiil. Di, butang na sa ulo.
Just breathe. Sir, kuniti, palihaw.
Butang sa yung ulo.
Yeah. Feeling better now? Follow my breathing. Inhale. Slow. Inhale. Slow, slowly. Inhale. And slow. Inhale. And slow. Good. Just keep it up. Just breathe for me. Breathe for me. Just breathe for me, okay? Good. Inhale.
Kaming na?
Good. That's it. Don't worry about your eyes. It's okay. It's okay. Control na. Okay. I'm a trained first aider now. Just follow what I say, okay? I'm gonna put down your legs and I will try to lift you up and just lean on my legs, okay? So the blood will not go through your head, okay?
Mas karin.
Down.
Upo na lang.
Sir, stable lang ang head. Ato siya. Okay. Don't push yourself. Okay. Just let me lift you. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay. Good. Just talk to me. What's your name?
Pagdaon, nangyayat.
Yeah, Michael. Give me your hand, Michael. Squeeze my hand, Michael. Squeeze it high. Tighter, Michael. Luya na.
Lukwang.
Okay, tighter, Michael. Talk to me, Michael.
Lukwang na, lukwang.
It's good. Don't go. Just let. Kinaya ko lang. Remove your sandals. You want to remove? No, just leave it. You don't want to remove.
Pagdaon.
Kaya ko, clean cloth, palihaw, clean. Kada review nga palitan. Don't worry. Okay, I will not let. Uy, ayaw nag-init. Init, ma'am, init. Huwag na ako kailangan, ma'am, palihaw.
Pagdaon, kiniya.
You take your medicine if you have something to do.